An eSIM is a digital SIM card that eliminates the need for a physical one. Activation involves scanning a QR code, verifying your device's IMEI, and downloading an eSIM profile. If the QR code isn't scanning, ensure you have a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update the Simple Mobile app to version 5.2 or newer, clear the app cache, and restart your phone. For IMEI issues, double-check that the IMEI in your phone's settings matches what Simple Mobile has on record. Mismatches can occur if the device was improperly reset or cloned. If the profile download fails, ensure your device's OS is compatible with Android 10 or higher and iOS 13 or higher. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection and temporarily disable any VPNs or firewalls. If the basic troubleshooting steps didn't resolve your eSIM issues, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Before proceeding, make sure to back up all your important data to prevent data loss. If the factory reset doesn't work or you're unable to perform it, contact Simple Mobile support directly. Their team can often manually activate your eSIM profile to get you connected. Looking ahead, eSIM technology is experiencing rapid growth and adoption. Industry projections show that by 2030, eSIM will be integrated into 80% of all mobile devices worldwide. Simple Mobile is actively transitioning to eSIM-only service plans, which will help reduce operational costs and simplify the activation process. They're also expanding eSIM compatibility to include smartwatches and other wearable devices. Security features are also improving for eSIM profiles. Biometric authentication methods, such as fingerprint scanning, are being developed to provide enhanced protection against unauthorized access. To avoid future issues, always ensure your Simple Mobile app is kept up to date with the latest version. Additionally, stay informed about troubleshooting tips and fixes through Simple Mobile's official support forums and resources.